Alright, today we're going to talk about the Nibbi carburetor. This is a Nibbi 34. Going to be going on a 223 big block. So today we're going to talk about how to get the cable, stock throttle cable on your KP Mini 150 to work with this carburetor. So this has this piece right here had a little uprising right here, a little cast. So what you want to do is you want to grind that flat, however you want to do it. I just use a Dremel tool. It doesn't matter. I mean, you try to make it look as good as you can, but whatever. It doesn't matter. No one's going to see it. So then this brass piece for your adjustment on your cable, where the cable goes into, you're going to have a little lock nut. Unscrew that, throw it in the garbage. Then you're going to take this. You're going to screw it all the way down to the bottom of that. So now this piece has gone farther in, which means in theory your cable's going to have longer throw. So you go all the way in. It comes stock with this little rubber piece that goes over the top like this. I don't like it because it doesn't really seal. It's kind of a janky little thing, and then your cable goes in here and people have problems with the idle not coming back down. Well, I have a little trick for that seals a little better. You can use black fuel line, you can use black vacuum line, you can use whatever you want. So I just use what comes with the carburetor, and I heat it up and throw it over here like this. So it's a nice tight fitting. And then you'll cut it off here. Just give a little cut, maybe, I don't know, an inch up, not even half inch. That way your cable can still go in there and you get a nice tight seal on top of this piece. And then on top of there. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and show you the bike that we're going to be working on today. It's a 2021 KP Mini. You're going to loosen this nut right here. You're going to screw this piece. You're going to spin it and spin it and spin it till it goes all the way in. And this nut you can either hang down and let it sit right here, or what I do is I get a Dremel tool and cut two slots in it, take that piece off. Just get rid of it. This little adjuster right here, make sure that you can loosen this all the way up and move this piece this way. Move it this way. Screw it in and move it that way. So that way you have all your adjustment that you want on your cable. Screw this piece in, right? Get rid of this nut right here, this little nut, and then that'll give you plenty of room on your cable. So when you take this carburetor off and get rid of all that, that'll give you plenty of room to use your stock cable on your carburetor, on your KP Mini, the Nibbi carburetor. So I've already done it all. Now I just got to put it back together, and then I'll start the big bore kit, and I'm going to go ahead and do a little review on the big bore kit. There's the head. We're using a Honda CRF 150F 2006 on up. We're using the cam holder from that. We're using a 2006 on up CRF 150F valve cover, and then 2006 on up CRF 150F valve cover screws. This is the stock one. These holes right here, this hole and this hole for the screws, they get stripped out pretty easy. This metal may look the same as this, but in reality it's not quite as durable. So for like 30 bucks this piece is like $30. For like $60, this matches up here. So when you put it on, it looks nice, it matches, it goes for this. This is CRF 150 head that you get from BRT. This matches this and it looks nice. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a 70 millimeter big bore kit. It'll make it a 223. So I'll be doing that today. I'll be doing videos periodically. So watch for my videos. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Mike Mouth. I have a lot of videos be coming up, and I'll be posting those. All right, thank you.